Stand at the top of your mat with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward in mountain pose. Lift your chest, draw your shoulders back and look straight ahead. Allow your arms to fall naturally by your sides, palms face inwards, fingers soft. Press into your heels, gently engage your abs, and lengthen all the way up to the top of your head. Balance your weight evenly between both feet to create a firm foundation. Relax your jaw and the muscles in your face. Close your eyes. The All-Rounder Challenge is a comprehensive, cross-disciplinary yoga program in which we cycle through flexibility, strength, mobility, balance, and relaxation workouts. Our first workout is a flexibility sequence based on static stretching and deconstructing the primary yoga poses. Be careful not to try to use force to increase a stretch, as your body's innate reflex reaction will cause your muscles to tighten. Instead, deepen your breath and allow your muscles to lengthen naturally over the next few weeks of consistent practice. Bring your attention to your breath. Seal your lips as we take a few deep breaths in and out through your nose. Inhale for the count of 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Feel the breath moving into your body, 2, 3, 4, and out of your body, 2, 3, 4. Allow your belly and chest to expand and contract. Take one more deep breath in and out. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Open your eyes. You can bring your feet together or keep them hip-width apart if that feels more natural. Let's start by warming up the body. Inhale, slowly circle your arms out and up overhead. Look up, reach up and touch your palms together. Exhale, lower your hands back down by your sides, bring your chin to your chest. And again. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, lower your hands back down by your sides, bring your chin to your chest. Moving on this time. Inhale, circle your arms out and up, reach up. Exhale, swan dive down with a straight spine, bend your knees, drop your head and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, look forward, sweep your arms out and up, come up. Exhale, bring your hands back down by your sides. And again. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, swan dive down with a straight spine, bend your knees, drop your head and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, look forward, sweep your arms out and up, come up. Exhale, bring your hands back down by your sides. Let's come into our first pose, standing forward bend, a hamstring, calf and back stretch. Bring your feet hip-width apart, check that your toes point straight ahead and place your hands on your hips. Seal your lips, take a deep breath in as you feel your spine lengthen. Exhale, soften your knees, draw your abs in and fold forward from your hip joints with a straight spine. Cross your arms, hold onto your elbows and relax into the pose. Take several slow deep breaths here, in and out through your nose. Be careful not to force the stretch in the backs of your legs. You can bend your knees as much as you need to allow your spine to fully release. Your legs will start to straighten over time. Let your head drop towards the mat and relax any tension in your neck and shoulders. Sink deeper into the pose and allow your spine to lengthen with every breath. If you'd like to increase the stretch, straighten your legs and bring your hands to your calves, ankles, or flat to the mat by your feet. Press your heels firmly into the floor and lift your sitting bones up to the sky. To come out of the pose, inhale, bring your hands to your hips, micro-bend your knees and come up to standing with a flat back. Exhale, release your hands and draw your shoulders back. Let's come down to the mat for our next pose, Downward Dog. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, swan dive down into forward fold. Bend your knees and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, look up, draw your shoulders back. Exhale, step back to all fours in the middle of your mat. And release your feet. Check that your hands and knees are shoulder width apart, palms slightly in front of your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide and press your palms evenly into the mat. In this position, your wrists are stable. Tuck your toes, lift your knees off the mat and raise your hips up to the sky. Keep your knees bent to allow you to fully extend your spine. Spread your fingers and press evenly into both hands. Try to straighten your elbows and rotate your arms outward to feel a broadening across your upper back. Press into your palms, tilt your pelvis up and allow your spine to lengthen. Check that both knees point forward and allow your head to hang naturally between your arms. Press into your palms, seal your lips and stay here for a few slow breaths. If you want to straighten your legs, first keep your heels lifted and push your knees back, then carefully reach your heels down towards the mat. If you find that your lower back bulges, keep your knees bent and focus on fully extending through your upper body, from your fingertips through your arms and shoulders all the way up to your hips. Downward Dog stretches the hamstrings, calves, ankles, shoulders and spine. Take one more deep breath in, press into your palms and draw your shoulders back. Exhale, drop down onto all fours. Let's take a break in wide knee child's pose. Bring your big toes together and separate your knees as wide as the mat. Stretch your arms out in front of you, sit back on your heels and let your forehead rest on the mat. Shift your weight from side to side to loosen up your hips and release tension at your lower back. Settle into the pose and stay here for a few breaths. Reach through your fingertips and draw your hips back. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, walk your hands back, bring your knees together and sit up tall for cow face pose. If this position is uncomfortable, you can place a cushion under your sitting bones. And if you're more flexible, you can drop down in between your feet in hero pose. Keep your heels close to your hips and point your toes straight back. This pose stretches the triceps, shoulders and chest. Inhale, lift your left arm up alongside your ear. Exhale, bend your elbow and place your hand between your shoulder blades, palm flat to your back. Sweep your right hand behind you, palm facing out, and try to bring your fingertips together so they touch or grab onto each other. If you're unable to join your fingers, bring your right hand to your top elbow and apply gentle pressure. Take a few slow breaths here, in and out through your nose. Draw your abs in, sit up tall and look straight ahead. Be careful not to force the stretch in your left triceps or across your right shoulder. Take one more full breath in. Exhale, release the pose and switch sides. Inhale, bring your right arm up alongside your ear. Exhale, bend your elbow and place the palm of your hand in between your shoulder blades. Sweep your left hand behind you, palm facing out, and try to bring your fingertips together on your back. If your fingers don't touch, release your left hand and lightly press down on your top elbow. Lift your chin and take a few slow breaths here. Be careful not to force the stretch or let your spine collapse. Last breath in. Exhale, release the pose. Lean forward, place your palms flat to the mat, sweep your feet to the left and bring both legs out in front of you for our final pose, half spinal twist. Cross your right foot to the outside of your left thigh and bring your other foot back to your right hip. If both your sitting bones do not rest evenly on the mat, bring your left leg straight out in front of you and flex your foot. Place your right fingertips behind you and hug your right knee into your chest. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to the right. For a deeper stretch, bring your left elbow inside your right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist from the base of your spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Last breath in. Exhale, come back to center and switch sides. Bring both legs out in front of you and cross your left foot to the outside of your right thigh. If both sitting bones rest evenly on the mat, you can bring your right foot back to your left hip. Place your left fingertips behind you and hug your left knee into your chest. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to the left. For a deeper stretch, bring your right elbow inside your left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Last breath in. Exhale, come back to center and bring both feet flat to the mat. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, lower your upper body slowly down to the mat. And hug your knees into your chest. Release your arms and legs and lie back in final resting pose. Let your feet come as wide as the mat and fall open. Relax your hands, palms facing up, shoulder blades rest evenly on the ground. Close your eyes. Let's finish today's sequence with a calming body scan meditation. Bring your attention to your left foot. Scan from your foot to your knee and up to your hip. Bring awareness to your right foot. Scan from your foot to your knee and up to your hip. Bring your attention to your belly. Feel your breath moving in and out. Let go of tension in your shoulders. Scan all the way down your left arm from your shoulder to your elbow to your fingertips. Scan all the way down the length of your right arm from your shoulder to your elbow to your fingertips. Relax your jaw, tongue, cheeks, and eyes. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath as you settle into stillness, knowing that in this moment nothing else matters. When you are ready, roll onto your right side and gently bring yourself up to sitting. Now you can move back into your day.